Hi guys, Miss Musica here again, and we are going to be learning how to use base 10 blocks to add triple digit addition problems. But to get started, I wanted to do a shorter video with how to make sure we're drawing our things the same way for all of us. So we're going to start off and we are going to review what some of these symbols look like. So in your classroom, you have your base 10 blocks. So you've got your little cubes, okay, those little cubes that you have in your classroom. And then you have a long, and it looks like it has 10 cubes in it, okay? And then you have a flat, which looks like it's got 10 longs in it, all right? And then you also have a big cube that if you look at it, looks like it has 10 flats in it. So it actually looks like a little box with 10 flats in it. Okay, and since we don't have those with us to be able to do our math problems, we're going to have to draw pictures. But I want to make sure that all of our pictures look consistent. So the little cube that we have in our classroom kind of looks like that. And it's equal to 1, 1. So it's equal to 1, 1, which is also the same as 1. And when we draw it, though, we don't have to take the time to draw all the corners on it. So if you have 9 of those to draw, it kind of takes a long time. So instead of drawing that, we're all going to agree that when we draw a picture, it's going to be a dot. Okay? Now, we don't want to do something quick like that because it ends up being so small that we can't see it, and they start getting like that. So you do want to actually draw yourself a little circle like that. Okay? So that's going to equal 1 for the pictures that you draw. And then we also have what is called a long. I sometimes call it a 10 bar. We often hear it called as 1 long, okay? And inside that long are 10 cubes. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's one more there that's 10. So let me count it. Just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? And just so that, well, let me do this part first, okay? That's equal to 110. Which is equal to the number 10. And so that we don't have to draw that whole thing out every time. If you're doing one of them, it doesn't take too long. But imagine you're doing 8 10s. So if your number were 80, you'd have to draw 8 of those each time. Takes a long time. And remember, with our math, we want to get the correct answer, and we also want to be efficient. Remember, efficient means being able to do it the quickest way. Okay? And so here, we're going to agree that if we want to show along, we're just going to draw a line right there. So if we have the number 30, we draw 3 of those. And then the next one that we have is our 100. And just a reminder, it's also called a flat, and it's got 10 of these inside of it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I even have to extend it to add some more on it, 9 and 10. And then it also has 10 going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can see I'm huffing and puffing over here. Because if every time I have to draw 400s, I have to draw that to represent it, it's going to take me a long time. So let's show what that is. That's 100. And it's also equal to the number 100. And instead of drawing that every time, we're going to agree right now that we're going to draw one of those, okay? So we've got, here's our 1, here's our 10, and here's our 100. We got a little bit of time, and we're going to have to use 1,000 in some of our answers. And we're going to have to trade in 10 of these for 1,000. So this is the fun part. We're going to learn how to draw a cube. So I'm going to show you on here how to draw a cube, and then you're going to stop the video and you're going to get some time to practice it on your own, all right? It takes a little while to get it, but if you follow these instructions, it's really pretty easy. So you're going to draw a square like that, okay? And then you're going to go into the middle of the square and you're going to put a dot. That's going to be one of your points. Now you're going to draw a line that goes down to this line. And now you're going to draw the rest of the line that is the same size as that line you just drew. So you're going to go from here to here, and then you need another line that's the same size as that. And now you're going to go over to this corner, draw it out to here, and now make it the same length as the other one, like that. See, it's doubled the length right there, okay? And now that you have that, all you have to do is draw here to the same length as that one, and here to the same length as that one. We're not done yet. Then you're going to go from this corner to this corner, and from this corner to this corner, and then from this corner to this corner, and then from this corner to this corner. And now you have a cube, and this one is going to equal 1,000, which is equal to the number 1,000. And inside of this, we would have 10 of these. So we're actually going to draw that picture to show it, okay? And if I had to draw 1,000, 10 of these inside here, I don't even know how I would draw it, okay? But that cube that you have in your classroom, we're going to represent it with a small one of those. And as you get practice with it, you're going to get really fast. Got that dot in the middle. Go down, down again, cross, cross again, down, 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 corner, 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 corner. Now, yes, you're right. Miss Musica, that takes quite a long time to draw. This is quick. These are quick. This takes longer to draw. But imagine if you had to draw 10 of these, one inside of the other. I don't even know how we would show it, but you wouldn't be able to in the amount of time that we want you to do your math problem. So stop the video, practice this a little bit, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do some double digit addition using tens and ones. Okay? All right, guys. Bye.